Hi everyone, welcome back to Study Sketch. Today, we are diving into the amazing world of the human eye. Ever wonder how we see the world around us? Let's break down the structure of the eye and find out. Structure of the eye. First, let's look at the outer layer of the eye. Sclera. The white part of the eye you see is called the sclera. It's tough and protects the eye. Cornea. At the very front, we have the cornea, a clear, dome-shaped surface that focuses light onto the retina. Iris. The iris, located behind the cornea and in front of the crystalline lens, controls the size of the pupil and regulates the amount of light entering the eye. Pupil. Moving inward, we reach the middle layer, known as the uvea. Here, the colorful iris controls how much light enters through the pupil, the black circle in the center. Choroid. Behind the iris, the ciliary body helps the lens focus light, and the choroid provides nutrients and oxygen. Retina. The innermost layer is the retina, which is sensitive to light and converts it into signals for the brain. Macula and fovea. Macula. A small central area in the retina responsible for sharp, detailed central vision. Fovea. The central part of the macula that provides the clearest vision. It contains a high concentration of cone cells. Lens. Behind the pupil is the lens, a transparent structure that changes shape to focus light precisely on the retina, helping us see objects both near and far. Vitreous and aqueous humors. Inside the eye, we have the vitreous humor, a gel-like substance that maintains the eye's shape, and the aqueous humor, a clear fluid that keeps the front part of the eye healthy and maintains pressure. Optic nerve. The optic nerve carries visual information from the retina to the brain, where all the magic of seeing happens. Disc. Vitreous body. The vitreous body is a gel-filled substance that protects the eye's paths from the lens to the retina. Retinal blood vessels. Retinal vessels supply blood to inner retinal neurons, while the choriocapillaries beneath the retinal pigment epithelium provides oxygen to the photoreceptor layer through diffusion. Hyaloid canal. The hyaloid canal has the hyaloid artery that supplies blood to the developing lens. Accessory structures. Don't forget the conjunctiva, a membrane covering the eye, and our trusty eyelids and eyelashes that protect against dust and light. Plus, the lacrimal glands produce tears to keep our eyes moist and clean. And there you have it, the incredible structure of the human eye. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more educational content. See you next time on Study Sketch.